Good afternoon everybody, Mujtaba Driving School and driver training. In today's video I'm going to commentate how to deal with a spiral roundabout second exit. Okay, so we are approaching a traffic light first, and after the traffic light is a roundabout control with the traffic light and how to deal with it safely. So let's have a go first. Here we got the traffic light. After the traffic light would be a roundabout. Okay, so make sure there's space the other side of the yellow box junctions. Yes. Okay, so we are going ahead a second exit in this roundabout, this spiral roundabout. So I'm on the left lane, I'm staying on the left lane, tire and tarmac behind this car, and as they move, check my mirrors, continue. So the light is changed now, so check my mirrors, off the gas, gentle brake. Okay, mirrors, gentle brake, tire and tarmac. Okay, so the first exit would be M25, the second exit towards A10. So we're taking second exit A10. Stay in our own lane, and the light is changed now. So check my mirrors, then continue. Right, follow the layout of the road nicely. Stay on my own lane. Okay, stay on my own lane. And here, mirror signal left. Then cancel my signal and continue, and the arrow says A10, follow my own lane and continue. Nice. Okay, so now the speed was 40, now speed change 50. So what I need to do now, I'm going ahead, but the next roundabout I'm going third exit to the right. So center mirror right, mirror signal right, position to the right. When I save, change my lane. Then the next roundabout, this again a spiral roundabout, but this roundabout without the traffic light, exit number 3, and I'm following A121 third exit. Okay, so be aware of the light, make sure the light is not going to change. Okay, so now A121, so mirrors, gentle brake because the cars in front of me, they're braking. Okay, so when I get closer to the roundabout, at this point we follow MSPSL routine, mirror signal position, speed and look. So center mirror right, mirror signal right, position to the right, nice and slow. So the roundabout is busy, usually about 15 miles an hour, but it's busy now, so I can't even go 4 or 5. So now the car is moving nice and slow. Look to the right hand side, gentle brake, the cars keep coming here. So we're going A121 at third exit. Okay, so we're looking for the safety, for the gap, for the opportunity. So now after this, the car is coming here. 1, 2, 3, safe. Yes, continue. Go to exit number 3. Coffee is exit number 1. So I'm already on the right lane, A121. Stay in A121 already. That's exit number 2. Now mirror signal left and leave the roundabout here. Good job done. Now speed change to 40. There you go, and that's how we deal with the roundabout, the spiral roundabout. That was a short video. I hope you found this video useful. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you and have a lovely day.